This message is being broadcast at the request of the Shepherd Valley Police Department and the Sonoma County Crisis Management Office. This is not a test. As of 8:46 p.m. yesterday Central Standard Time, local authorities have been responding to a rapidly growing civil disturbance in the Shepherd Valley and Sonoma County areas. It is believed that a local viral outbreak has mutated into a highly infectious strain, presenting with symptoms of erratic and uncharacteristically violent behavior. For your safety and the safety of others, please refrain from venturing outdoors at this time. If you are currently indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, please make your way